got to get the no peace. Get no peace. Get the no peace.
Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aaliyah here, aka Leah Bria Beauty, and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to be installing this amazing wig from the brand called Luvwin hair. Luvwin specializes in specifically handmade 100% human hair wigs. One of their top sellers on their website is their wigs that come with 4C edges, which is why I went with one of those. The overall goal of the company is to promote self-love and self-confidence, and they want to make women with all different types of hair textures feel included, feel special, and feel like their hair matters, and I love that. Let's get on into this video. So don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and most importantly, subscribe, join the channel, join my family. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys at the end. To start off, I just went ahead and braided my hair into these two small plaits. Now on to bleaching the knots. I was so shook at how quickly this lifted. It took me only about 5 minutes. Here is the bag they sent me over. They did provide 2 HD wig caps, and I recently started actually using those myself, and when I tell you guys, it's a game changer. They sent me this cute satin bonnet, a little edge comb, cute little headband. They also sent me a wig band. I love when companies do this. This is what she's looking like straight out. So let's talk a little bit about the construction of this wig. 10 out of 10 points for them. I'm installing this band. I have such a tiny head, and I always have an issue with wigs, and this strap is adjustable. I actually like that because it makes it feel a lot more secure. Second thing that I noticed was this right here. At the back of it, it has this rubbery kind of material, which that is absolutely amazing because it's gonna really help it to stick to the back. So to start out, I'm just gonna spray a light layer to secure it. I'm gonna go in with this wig glue. Now that it is completely dry, as you can see, now I'm gonna go in and cut it. So now I'm just gonna go in with some of my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Guys, I am obsessed. So I'm just gonna line it up for right now. Ooh, that's crazy. Who is this? Okay. I'm gonna let the hairband do its thing for a good 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. It's time to take off this elastic band. Wow. Let me get closer. I really am impressed. Okay, hairline looks so natural. I didn't do any plucking. I'm just gonna use some water and some conditioner just to define the curls a bit. I'm gonna just brush it from the ends, and as I brush it, I'm gonna wet it because I really want to see the true texture of this hair. And I'm just gonna use my hot comb to flatten that down and just kind of define the part a little bit better. Got my wax stick. I'm gonna just use that to kind of pretty much just put everything where I want it to be. This is what the wig is looking like. If you cannot tell, I am absolutely in love with this wig. Just look at the edges. I didn't want the edges to look too uniformed and too like done, because the whole point of them is for them to be 4C. It's safe to say that I'm feeling myself. I love this hair. Typically when you get 20-inch curly hair, it's 20-inch stretch. No honey, this is 20-inch curled, okay? The fact that it's so full and it doesn't feel heavy is absolutely one of my favorites. I hope you all enjoyed this video so much. Make sure you guys check out Luvwin Hair's website. They have a lot of amazing wigs and products on there. Make sure you check out my bio for a discount code specifically for all of my subscribers. Make sure you let them know Leah Bria sent you. Be sure to follow Luvwin on Instagram. Make sure you find them on all their social media platforms and show them some love and let them know that I sent you. Y'all, I'm feeling myself, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.